Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm taking you inside a modern pizza factory to show you exactly how delicious pizzas are made from start to finish. First, every great pizza begins ingredients and careful preparation. Let's see how this amazing process starts inside the factory.
Every great pizza begins with carefully selected fresh ingredients. The perfect pizza starts with perfectly mixed dough. Fresh dough moves toward the resting room. The dough is carefully rested to develop its perfect texture.
Every dough ball is shaped for perfect consistency. The conveyor enters the proofing chamber.
A light coating of flour keeps the dough smooth and easy to handle. Automated shaping creates perfectly uniform pizza bases every time. The perfect sauce pattern creates a balanced flavor in every bite.
The automated system ensures an even coat of our rich tomato sauce.
Very efficient.
Watch as they head to the cheese station.
A generous layer of mozzarella gives every pizza its signature flavor. Automation guarantees consistent topping placement. Every topping is applied with perfect accuracy.
Automated topping systems ensure every pizza receives the perfect balance of fresh ingredients.
The finishing herbs complete every pizza before baking.
Precision robotics create a perfectly balanced topping pattern on every pizza.
Advanced inspection systems verify every pizza before it enters the oven. Carefully controlled baking transforms fresh ingredients into perfectly cooked pizzas. The baking process transforms fresh ingredients into finished pizzas.
Freshly baked pizzas are cooled under carefully controlled conditions before slicing. The pizzas move toward the automatic cutting machine.
The perfect finish comes from precise temperature control.
The cooling stage prepares every pizza for slicing. Precision slicing completes the production process. Every pizza is inspected before packaging.
The final packaging prepares every pizza for delivery.
Every pizza box is automatically sealed to protect freshness during transportation. Every pizza is digitally tracked before shipment. Automated packing prepares every pizza shipment with speed and precision.
Robotic palletizing prepares every shipment for efficient transportation.
Protective wrapping keeps every shipment stable throughout transportation. Autonomous logistics keep warehouse operations running efficiently. Every shipment is carefully verified before leaving the factory. The final journey begins as freshly prepared pizzas travel toward restaurants across the country. The final stage begins as fresh pizzas arrive at the restaurant.
Inside the kitchen, every pizza receives its final preparation before serving. The final touch prepares every pizza for the customer.
Here is your pizza.
Thank you.
Looks delicious. Just in time.
After an incredible journey through the factory, the pizza is finally ready to be shared.
The perfect cheese pull is the final sign of a perfectly crafted pizza. Every ingredient comes together to create an unforgettable meal.
Every day, thousands of pizzas bring people together.
The journey continues with every fresh pizza served.
From one kitchen to countless tables, every pizza begins with care.
Crafted with precision, baked with passion.
From carefully selected ingredients to the perfect slice, every pizza tells a story of craftsmanship, technology, and passion.